Okay, number 13. Now, I was just going over, um, you know how to sort out NAs, correct? Where you do your X, and then you do your Y, and so within it your is dot NA brackets, your X, your Y, and then you say that it is 0 or whatever you want it to be, the NA to actually be. Now, what if you want to change other things? Maybe, so swapping out, let's go changing string values. Changing string values. So let's say we don't want to do it as an init. Maybe we want in our data frame. Maybe we don't want males to be. Maybe we want them to be 1 or 0 or whatever. I was wondering if I've already done this before. Oh well, we can go over it again. Let's say we want them to be 1, or we want them to be a 0, or we want to have something a little bit more complicated. So let's have data frame. We want sex. And we say data frame again. Sex again. Now, what we'll want to say is equals equals. Now for this is just a different way of doing something that we've already done up at somewhere here. Where did we do it? Characters, filtering, formatting, data transformation. Aha, there we go. Now I've already gone through it, obviously. Well, that again. So if we want male, now this will find anything within your document that it could be 1, it could be just a big M, and it'll change all of them. Now, this can be used for spelling errors or something else. And we've also got something else, which is data frame. Oopsie, data frame. We'll just call you data frame 1. Data frame. Typing function. And we want to mutate. Then we want to do, I don't know, sex 1, different type of sex. And then we want to do structure, remove, or replace. We've got structure, turn NA into NA. We've got lots of cool things that we can do. Structure replace. So, with this, we'll show our variable getting its sex. Now, what we want to do, we want to swap, let's say, if we say male, we want to swap anything with male in the document with a large M. Now, in this instance, I wonder if you can already go and see any mistakes that can pop up in this. I don't know when this would be of use, but it may be. You never know. If I run this, there's lots of warnings. Mutate string, male, that should have got low there.
21 warnings. If you take this out, structure replace, all it will do, let's say we take, basically this command, the error it will show if we put
data frame. Data frame. What this will do, there'll be an irritation in here. I'll do something interesting. Or not. Structure, replace, data frame, 6, layout, and there we go. There we go, there's the issue.
Because female has the word male in it, it replaces each section, it iterates over every single line, and then it goes into everything. So male is just always replaced, but female is different. Now, if you wanted to go and do this again, you could correct this mistake with
FE and then a capital M. It's that, then you want to put nef. That may just go and fix the entire issue. Do that again. It's floosh.
That's all worked. Exactly the same thing as you would have seen over here. Anyway, that's just something novel for you to have a look at.